This is the My Camping Adventures channel with a mystery shop, a family, farm, and home. Let's see what they got. And one of my subscribers asked me to check out their ATVs and mini bikes, which I will do. Being a family farm and home, looks like they got some tractors. Looks like their own brand. Oh, nope. It's a brand I recognize. So they got some cool tractors. Got some cool farm stuff. Oh, this is my favorite. Chicken coops. All you need is the chickens. So they got the chicken coops. I think I'd get this one, man. Look at this chicken coop for $13.99. I'd say it's My Camping Adventures approved. This is a yard area. Looks like they got peat moss, they got your wheelbarrows, they got some stuff locked up back there, and a loading area. Let's go inside, see what they got. Fruit trees in the fall. I don't know if these would have time to grow. Okay. Firewood, hey, that's a good deal. $5.99. Firewood's expensive. Firewood bricks. What are firewood bricks? 100% hardwood firewood bricks. That's pretty dang cool. I'm gonna have to get some of those. These will work really, really well, I think, in my winter stove. Anybody want to donate $5? My PayPal link is up. Still waiting for that first donation. Oh, okay. Here we go. Go-kart with reverse mid, $19.99. This looks like a fun ride. Check this out. TM adult mini bike with torque, black. I don't know if I'd fit in that go-kart, but I'd ride it. Back 40 20cc mini bike. Like the camouflage. Had me a camouflage. Storm 200 mini bike, $4.99. And then you got kayaks. Cool. I like that little go-kart thing. So you got kayaks out here. Aruba, $179, was $249. Looks like a pretty nice kayak for that price. Old Towns are expensive. They'll last you forever. Windshield. Hey, gun safes. All right by the exit. No one's gonna carry them out. Wood shavings. Of course, shopping carts. Let's go inside, see what they got. Oh, look at the cute little animals. DeWalt, lawn and garden stuff, grill covers, oil. I am always a sucker for anything that looks like an axe or a mallet or a machete for tool purpose use only. Oh, check out the saw. Okay, these look almost like Fiskars, but they're not. That's cool. Shovels. I like the little mini shovel. Okay, we got paint. Interesting. They got like hardware and stuff that Tractor Supply does not. Okay. They get all these fittings. Oh, my other favorite thing to get in trouble with, super glue. I like the super glue micro precise, but I'm never micro precise. I always still get it over my hands when I'm making my survival bracelets. Tape, frog tape. Do they got duct tape? Gorilla waterproof patch and seal. That's pretty cool. Okay. Let's go around here. Gloves, muric acid. That looks dangerous. Deer and rabbit repellent. I don't know. Or scent. Fire logs. hoses. Interesting mix of stuff they got here. Oh, you got to get one of these for winter, man. I got one. The Silent boot dryer. They work so well. Socks. Snacks. Batteries. Tire pressure gauge. Oh, no batteries. I was wrong. All little knick-knack type stuff. There's your duct tape. Clothes. Everybody needs a black sweatshirt. Let's look down here. Oh, there's your batteries. Batteries. Every camper should know where the batteries are in every store they go. Ooh, rope. I like rope too. Okay, check it out. Camo rope. Yeah, I'm a sucker for camo rope. Polypro fine rope. Chains. More into rope. Okay. More toolsy type stuff. Tubs for storage. DeWalt tools. More tools. WD-40. Cleaning products. Interesting. Garbage cans. Looks like they mixed, I don't know, a Home Depot with a Tractor Supply with an AutoZone. Looks like animal stuff. It's for animals. Oh, okay, they do have trail cams. No hunting or trespassing. Hate those signs. Dog stuff, animal stuff. A lot more animal stuff. Another chicken coop. Lots of animal stuff. Lots of animal stuff. Wow. Cute little kids' gloves. More clothes, sweatshirts. My favorite thing in the store so far, of course, because it's camouflage and it looks sturdily built. Cat. Wonder if it's their brand. How much? $54.99. Still a pricey date. Boots, shoes, muck boots. More clothes. Ladies' clothes. Nice sweaters by Ariat, man. Ariat Tech. Kind of like that sweater. I always like the pricey stuff. Please donate. Just kidding. More clothes. And more socks. Candy. It's always good. Jerky. You got jerky and batteries. And you got your drinks. Have a nice day. Well, this is the My Camping Adventures channel. This is what they appear to have in ATVs and off-road type stuff. Really, really, really interested in these firewood bricks. I'm gonna have to try some with my winter stove. This is the My Camping Adventures channel with the mystery shop of the new store that just moved in, Family Farm and Home. Have a good day. Please subscribe.